Hi, this is Missy Huff with Haynes Huff Properties. And I'm in Bothell today at Bothell Feed. We're getting ready to put another listing on the market, and this listing is really close to Thrasher's Corner. At Thrasher's Corner, you have all the grocery stores, Bothell Feed, restaurants, and all the amenities that you need. So let's get our plants purchased and we'll head over to the newest listing and prepare it. So if you're looking for a home in an established neighborhood that's better than new, or any home in the Puget Sound area, give us a call.